So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can replace the SIM card in your phone. So you're going to need a couple of things. First of all, you're going to get your iPhone, obviously. This is your iPhone. Well, just imagine if this is your iPhone. This is my phone. It's an iPhone 6S. And we're going to be placing the SIM card on this. Well, I don't really have a SIM card on me right now, but I'm just showing you how you can kind of take the tray out and how you can put the SIM card on. So first of all, you're going to need every iPhone. Well, in its box, it comes with a SD. Well, kind of like this key, you can say, to the SIM card slot on the phone, which is right there. So unfortunately, I don't really have the key on me, neither, because I just lost it for some reason, so I don't really have the key on me. So instead, I'm using this pin I found on the floor. So here's the pin. So first of all, you want to get your phone right in front of you, and what's recommended is you get your phone and you want to just power it off fully. So just hold down the power off button. Select power off. That is recommended just in case you start swiping and you might click something like emergency SOS. That nearly happened to me one time. So yeah, it is recommended you just power off the phone fully before you replace the SIM card. So you want to get your pin or your key. And by the way, I'll show what the key looks like right now.
Fiddle diddle, riddle diddle, fiddle riddle diddle diddle, fiddle riddle diddle diddle, fiddle riddle diddle.
And you want to get your pin or the key, and you'll see there's a hole there. Get your pin, and you just want to plug it in. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Then you want to push it in, like this. There you go. And the tray should just pop off, or it'll show up and you have to take it out with your fingers. I can use the pin. So put the pin away. And yeah, here's the pin. Sorry, no, that's not the pin, that's the SIM card tray. So this is a SIM card tray. All you have to do is flip it over till it looks like this. When you put the SIM card, the chip must be facing upwards. Just place on there, kind of like how you would with a CPU. And then just leave it there. And then gently get your SIM card tray. Get your iPhone. And you want to get the SIM card tray. And you just want to slide it back in. There's no need for a pin this time. Slide it back in. And you want to put it in the right orientation. So if you accidentally place it this way, make sure you flip it. Just like that. And then I'm going to get the pin again. I'm just going to put it right back into the hole. Just place it in. I need to get the pin to rotate. Okay. I'll probably try without the pin this time, just swipe it in. So get the SIM card tray, put it inside the SIM card thingy. There we go. That's how you insert a SIM card. I'll do that one more time as well. So, like I said before, power off your iPhone, and then get your pin and just put it onto the SIM card hole. Just like this. Just push it in. Now obviously this will be easier if you have the original Apple key to the SIM card. There you go. Then just take the SIM card out. That's your SIM card. Then put your SIM card on here, and then place it back into the phone. Yeah, and that's how you place a SIM card. Now, if you want to power on the iPhone, just hold the power button. Okay, I just felt it vibrate, and there we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.